Logitech Pebble Mouse 2 M350S Studio Series by Logitech. Space Gray, I believe. Silent Tech. Bluetooth connectivity. Works with Chromebook. I should be pairing it with the lovely Apple. Let's have a look. Anything else? This is serial number. Blah de blah. Let's crack this open.
Hey.
I don't know. I haven't used it.
Yeah, might work now. Can I lift my bag over?
So, here we go, guys. Let's slide it out. Yeah, I'll book it in right now.
Eh?
I'll do it right now.
Call that mobile number there and tell the guy. Because you said about 34, they're not there yet. Click this. Type.
Now let's take this slip out. Battery should work. Boom. Let's unbox this bullshit. Here we go, guys. This is your Logitech M350S Bluetooth mouse. And there you go. You can see it's flashing. And it's got Bluetooth connectivity. It feels a bit cheap. It shouldn't be too bad. So let's connect this to that. Other settings, no Wi-Fi settings. I need Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Hopefully this has it. Pebble M3. You can see it's there. All we're gonna do is click on the Pebble M3, connect. Hopefully, I might have to connect the Wi-Fi. Searching, connected. Brilliant. Now it's connected. Oh! Look, guys. There we have the mouse connection. And this is your startup unboxing tutorial video. UK Tech Warehouse. With your new Logitech M350 mouse. This what comes in the box. Not much. You got your manual guide. Forget that. Nice little padding. Looks like a diaper, to be honest. And you got your box here. So, thanks, guys. Like and subscribe.